How you say you gon' love me? Then when I do wrong, you judge me.
Hey man, I ain't never did this before ever. But it's not hard. I ain't gonna hold you. You got a little 3 little bit of LED light. I'm not trying to cut my hair. Yeah.
I swear that they don't love me. I know that they don't love me. How you say you gon' love me? Then when I do wrong, you judge me. You telling them I'm the realest you ever had, you acting funny. The real you starts to running. I thank God for the nights I slept good, I wasn't hungry. Hey, had to change my life, had to up my price.
Hey, I ain't never really did this before. But look, I'm gonna start with the back. Hey, we're gonna get to it, man. This needs 20K views, 5K likes, everything else up. This is the video right here.
But when I make it alone, I know they all gon' feel me. The chances that I take in my life is gon' show the real me. Money coming in off the back end. I just want to
okay then, yeah, okay then, yeah.
Say I'm sick on the drip, but then how you say you don't love me? Then when I do wrong, you
judge me. You telling them I'm the realest you ever had, you that first bomb,
the real you starts to run me. I thank God for them nights I slept good, I wasn't hungry. Now all I worry about is money. And this is how I'm coming, they won't take it from me. I swear that they don't even love me. I know that they don't.
I knew I was certified now. I just ain't know how certified I was.
Why you choosing it? Your girl up in my phone like why she losing it? I was broke, now I'm rich, you ain't here choosing me. My mama said
that's all we need right now. First ball guideline.
I've been going crazy. Back when I was in trouble, they couldn't save me. Couldn't call nobody, couldn't even talk to my baby. Back when I was young, they just tried to play me. You say you love me, I don't believe it. How you say you wanna be there for me, you can't reach me. You say you the one, I don't know if you just teasing, but it ain't no reason, I just cannot deal with all the G. Might pop up on you like bread and toast. Don't push me, I'm not a show. Keep the tar on me, might rock and roll. You my fashion good, but you'll never know. Say they with you, they capping. Not everybody be rapping. When I'm on the beat, I'm snapping. If I make it big, what happens? Then when I do you telling me I'm the realest you ever had, you acting funny. The real you starts to run. I thank God for the nights I slept good, I wasn't hungry. Now all I'm worried about is money. And this is how I'm coming, swear they won't take it from me. I know they won't, hey, yeah, I know they can. Yeah, how you gon' love me?
Hey, peep the faders though. Hey, peep the faders though. Why the faders lining up like that? Hold on. Baby. Hey, peep the... Talk to me. Let's get it.
Contraband got that dope.
That's my baby. That's my best friend. We be flexing on our exes. She drive me crazy.
Hey, why the faders getting crispy on them, boy? Hey, this mirror hard. Wait, hold on. This mirror hard. I ain't even gonna hold you. This mirror nice, but it's the hardest part though. Oh, hold on then, Giant. Hold on then, boy. Hold on then. I want to get to the other side. Scare me though. Oh, no, we good right there. We straight right there.
Probably gon' act like she know me. I can go get me a new car and drop it faster than the old. They probably gon' say when you make it, you need to go get it faster.
Alright, the back look straight. It should look straight. No count. No Kazante. It should look good now. Hey, talk to me. Now I'm about to do my favorite part. Get that fade right. Let's get it. I do the faders first. I can just create a guideline. Then I bought it with the actual liner clippers. But yeah. Alright, they kind of sharp. Hold on now. Hold on now. Them was a zero gap faders. Hold on now. Yeah, that's better. Then you just take that right there.
You say that you want me, I just wanna know if it's bad.
And you need to clean it up.
We were the best, no cap, and you know.
I'm looking in this mirror, and this mirror supposed to be helping me looking. Come on, man. What? I done bought the mirror, they ain't even using it right. That's tripping. We good though.
That's my baby. That's my best friend. We be
what you do to one side, you must do to the other. Same thing on the other side. Same time.
Ain't no stress, cause we destined. That's my baby.
Why are you so sharp?
That's my best friend.
That's already straight, right? That's already straight. Ain't nothing but a little bit of straight there. Come on, man. That's already straight.
Go crazy forever, my lady. We driving my.
Now you can either do one guard, debulk. I mean, take the bulk off, like you just close it, and then you either go all the way down and take all that out on both sides. Or you can start with the open mug, you know, no guard open, and then hit that first guideline. But I'm gonna just debulk first. Most barbers do that. So you can have a cleaner canvas. You know what I'm saying?
That's my best friend. We be flexing.
Now for the first guideline, I like to put a little curve on it. So you want to go like less than an inch, less than half an inch. It's really up to you on how you want to fade it. You can do a low fade, high fade, but I mean, it's up to you, man. As long as you just blend it and it looks soft up at the end, it really don't matter. It really don't. Every barber cut different. So I mean, it is what it is. When you made that first guideline, next side.
Yes, I just call my phone and hit my jack, baby girl, don't hurt your pride. You said you wanted this forever, let's not waste no time. Well, you my baby, my best friend, I'll always call you my babe. That's my best friend.
Now you can either take the 116 or the half guard and go up and take that line out, or you can start with the 1. I think I'm gonna start with the 1. Also, stretching the skin helps to see how more detailed you can be into the fade, you know? Same thing, you do one side, gotta do to the other side. You know, come on, man. Let's get into it. Like I said, it ain't gotta be perfect now. It just gotta be blended. It's really about the line. The line gotta be sharp. It gotta be crazy. That's it. Now before I go any higher or go any farther, I'm gonna brush the canvas and then I'm gonna take out that bottom guideline. But y'all just wait for the line. The line up finna go crazy. I already tell you that now. 1.5, take out the middle guideline. Now if you want to get real nice with it, use the half, the 116, and you're going to debulk all of that. You just kind of smooth it out. But you got to play with the leather a little bit. You might mess up the fade. You know, yeah.
Respect the game. I don't want nobody else but me and my game. Don't change up on me and I swear I won't change. I'm going in for the wealth, not the fame. It's my time like Dame. She see me shining, she reach from my chain. I call her the guy, she call her the girls, and we link and we do everything. I swear I won't play. Cause I've been cut too deep, so usually when you losing me, you losing me. For who I was, not who I used to be. Call me a champ like a Laker. I'm too real, I can't deal with the fakers. Everywhere I go, I always see haters. If you trying on me, then I'ma replace you. Yeah. Cause I don't want anybody else but you. I be chill with the gang, but we always got moves. Some just got nothing to lose, some got a lot to prove. Some showing who really who, don't get me confused. I see the snakes in the grass, I'm telling you I will not lose. Time and time again, time that we spend, thinking we get.
Start with the middle, 2 vertical bars, and then join them bad boys.
Sent you with your people, you thinking you safe with that file, but don't get misled. If he don't respect it, the gang gon' check him and put that boy back on his mess. Yeah. Cause I don't want anybody else. Anybody else but you. Cause I don't want anybody else. Anybody else but you. Respect the game. I see it, I want it, I cop it, I get it, it's non-stop. They say when you make it, you start acting famous and then you start riding in drop tops. I can't do it, can't change on my game. It's family over everything. They say that my people not equal, no matter the cost, it's time for a change. Respect the game, are you hearing me? Cause skin tone definitely do not put fear in me. We all wanna be great, I mean literally. I'm a beast in my heart, you could never belittle me. I'm screaming nobody else, nobody know I'm the champ, the one that be holding the belt. They say I'm not patient, I'm shaking, or I really be faking, but they don't know the cards I was dealt. Cause I don't want anybody else, I only want you. I done seen them all loving the crew, I know how they do, I know how it go. For my boys in the bay, yeah, we good. Ain't no checking, I know we respected the life that we have, yeah, it's all understood. I know that you probably won't beat me, but can't see me. Believe me, I'm granting your wish like a genie. Most of these people be thinking they thugs and gangsters just cause they got 40s that's beaming. They probably won't mark off my name. They see that I'm doing my thing. They say listen, just hear what he's saying. I don't want nobody else, just respect the game. Yeah. Cause I don't want anybody else, no. Anybody else but you, respect the game. Cause I don't want anybody else but